The XC90 T8 twin-engine side impact crash test shows the vehicle hitting a pole at approximately 20 miles per hour. You can see the SIPS airbags deploy, protecting the driver. Here, the battery compartment is highlighted. It deforms exactly as designed. The tunnel around the compartment is reinforced, and there are also reinforcements to the crossmember, the sill extrusion by the door, and the rear floor. The battery is very well protected. The T8 twin-engined is designed to be one of the safest cars in the world, just as any other Volvo.